Hello friends, welcome to the class of Cost and Works Accounting. In this video, we are going to solve 11th problem on the cost sheet. Okay, so this is the disclaimer statement of this particular video. Cost sheet format. We are going to solve according to this format. So this is the problem number 11 which came in April 2018 in the regular student examinations of Savitribai Phule Pune University at SYBCOM level. So this is the problem. So first what we need to do, we need to see in whose books of accounts we are going to write. So it's a Costlier Limited Pune, and year is, or the period is for the year ending 31st March 2017. Okay, now as per our regular way, we will classify these items as per our cost sheet format. Okay, so it will be easy for us to prepare the solution. First, opening stock of materials. A. Purchase of materials. Again A. Bad debts written off. K. Travelers' salaries and commission. K. Depreciation on furniture. G. Factory rent, rates, taxes and insurance. It's E. Productive wages. B. Director fees. G. General expenses. G. Factory gas and water. E. Traveling expenses. K. Sales. N. Manager's salary. Now here adjustment is there, 2/3 factory and 1/3 for office. So E and G respectively. Next is depreciation on plant and machinery. It's E. Next, donation. Again, it's a financial item, right? So we will not consider in the cost sheet. Repairs to plant and machinery. E. Carriage and cartage outward. Outward means it's K. Direct expenses. Direct expenses are C. Office rent, rates and insurance. G. Office gas and water. Again G. And last is closing stock of materials. That is A. Okay. So let us try to solve this problem. Okay. So I have kept here my format ready. So first we need to write in the books of Costlier Limited. Below that we will write the cost sheet, and now in this example they have given the period, so we will write the period for the period ended 31st March 2017. Okay, three columns are there: particulars, total rupees and total rupees. First, as per our format, we will try to calculate the direct material consumed. So first, direct material. In that we need to take first opening stock of raw material. So it is 67,200. We need to check items sequence as per our original formats, and then we are writing. So in next is we need to add purchases. It is 2,59,000. We need to add expenses on purchases, that is carriage inward, but here it is not there, so we'll write 0. Okay, just do the total. It is 3,26,200. From that you need to minus the closing stock. It is the last item, 87,920. Okay, so just take that. Okay, and finally do the calculation and you will get the amount of direct material consumed. Okay, next item is direct wages, or here in this example they have mentioned productive wages, so you can write that name also, productive wages. It is one and the same. So 1,76,400. Next is our direct expenses. So here they have already mentioned direct expenses. Okay. So here it is direct expenses 10,010 is the amount. Okay. Do the total. It is 4,24,690 and this is our prime cost. A plus B plus C items. Okay. Next is factory overheads. Now we need to check the E items wherever we have put E. Okay. So here we have put first E over here, factory rent, taxes and insurance. Okay. Sorry. So factory rent, taxes and insurance. It is 11,900. Okay. Next is the factory gas and water. So we will write over here factory gas and water. Okay. Amount is 1,680. Next is here manager's salary. We need to write manager's salary 2/3 of 15,000, that is 10,000. So adjustment is there. Okay. Next is depreciation on plant and machinery. Okay. Amount is 18,200. Next is repairs to the plant and machinery. Okay. So it is 6,230. Next, no, it's finished. So just do the total. So it is 48,010. Okay. Now we need to do the adjustment on stock of work in progress. But here it is not mentioned. So just we'll keep it blank and just do the total. So it is 48,010. Add up this amount to the prime cost. That will give you the factory cost or works cost. Okay. Next is administrative expenditure. So again we need to see G items. Okay. So first is depreciation on office furniture. Okay. So it is 420. Next is director's fee. So it is 8,400. Next, general expenses 4,760. Okay. Next, manager's salary. So manager's salary adjustment 1/3 of 15,000, that is 5,000. Next is office rent, rates and insurance. So that is amount is 2,800. Next, office gas and water 560. Okay, now again do the total of these items. Okay, so it is 21,940. I'm sorry. Next is you just need to add these amounts. So it is 4,900, 4,94,640. Okay, this is your cost of production. So we need to do the adjustment. So adjustment here, adjustment is not there. So just write it and keep it blank. Okay, do the total. It is again same 4,94,640. So this is our cost of goods sold. Okay. Next items are selling and distribution expenditure. So now we need to see the K items. So first is bad debts written off here 9,100. Okay. Next item is traveler salaries and commission 10,780. Next item, traveling expenses 2,940. And mm, next is here carriage and cartridge outward 620. Okay, again now do the total of these figures. It is 28,000 to 840. Add up this to the cost of goods sold and you will get the amount which is your cost of sales. Okay, now they have already given us the sales value, that is 6 lakhs. Okay, so put the figures, sales 6 lakhs. Now just minus this cost of sales from sales and you will get your profit. Okay, so this is 76,520 is your cost of profit, 76,520. Okay, so thus we have completed here our 11th problem on cost sheet. This is a disclaimer statement once again. Thank you very much.